Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Tire, I give you 7. No tires for free. Done. You're interested, you call me.
To ace the test in order to please Zito.
You may begin.
I hereby dub thee
Sorry I lost you, boss. I'll make it up to you.
Man, I can't believe you're...
noticias. El chico Jackson Storm le acaba de poner un buen alto al Rayo McQueen.
Great idea, Doc. Now the road will never get done.
Luigi?
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen? Hoy que es el más veloz de los...
Forecast? I can use the forecast. 100% chance of thunder. Gazooga.
Mater. Just remember, your brakes ain't gonna work on these. Mater?
I shall be looking splendid as usual, Thomas. Oh, you mean what job? In that case...
Sterling, why don't you and I take a drive and talk? Billionaire to billionaire.
Mater?
Yeah, Finn?
We're not here to go shopping.
Shop? What do you mean?
Living a piston cup. You know that?
Nah, this grumpy old race car I know once told me something.
Oh, Stanley. I wish you could see this.
Everything okay?
If you're worried about your fuel, man, don't. It's perfectly safe.
No,
Boy, you're in a heap of trouble.
Trooper responding. Where's Mater? Right back. Put it in reverse, pal. Make room for Mater.
¿Eso?
son tubos de escape.
Oh, Francesco likes this McQueen. He's really getting him into the zone.
¡Mate! Entonces, ¿estos tractores de dónde vienen?
I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Who'll be jamming now?
Well, he's got some serious work ahead of him if he wants to get back in this race.
Yeah, but I ain't perfect. Don't tell nobody, but I think my rust is starting to show through. Hey!
Thank you, Mel. It is very, very good to be here. Now listen to me. Big oil. It costs a fortune. Pollution is getting worse.
Tails down here. I created a drink in your honor.
Yeah, the Rusty's medicated bumper pump.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama. The queen is very sad.
Hey! Was that floating like a Cadillac? Or was that stinging like...
You getting a car wash?